walk out here. Let you look on both sides. There. So the street I'm talking about goes along there. And I'm guessing when the tide comes up, it fills in this, and those boats are once again afloat. Crazy, huh? Now over here, you have a big anchor and a big shark head. Ow! And then in our other video, we walked all the way down there to the end of that. We didn't want to walk on the mossy rocks, so we didn't. And then we walked across there. But now, we go this way. That's the girls' bathroom, and I think the guys' bathroom is over here somewhere. Maybe around there, if you need it. And apparently cars come up here. This plaque is dedicated to the people of St. Ives. Get a closer look at some flowers and a bumblebee. Well, I guess we should go that way. Whoa, he's attacking me. Did you say put that in my pocket? Where's he going? That way. We probably shouldn't let cars drive in here, but what are you going to do? It's not my town. Now this is a market, the old Key Market or Quay. Hello. Here we are out here. So like I say, restaurants, snack bars, bars, gift shops, you name it, it's here. In the other video, we walked down there a little ways. Well, actually, we'll walk down there. Lots of pieces of crabs. In fact, everything you see down there is like a piece of a crab. So I don't know if the seagulls get them at low tide or what. And you can see there's stairways up to, I guess, houses and whatnot up there. Apartments,
Yeah, I was
condos,
just thinking that.
who knows?
Like there's a good iced. Can I get an iced one? That's alright.
Got some hair braids, tattoos, Cornish pasties. It's like an empanada or a stromboli or something. Some of these places are crowded. You can go along there, or you can go up in, there's another road up in the middle there, see? And cars. We should make people walk down here. Or should I say I would want to drive down here. They should make me walk. Right? I don't think they let cars go on this road that we're approaching. St. Ives Society of Artists up there. So this goes all the way up around the bend, maybe half a mile or so. So from St. Ives, England, this is Gareth.
And Janet.
Saying,
Portland is out.
see you in the next port. Bye.